Hello students, I hope you've had a wonderful long weekend and look forward to seeing you next week. Here's a review of your final. Now your final and this review are going to look amazingly similar. So anyway, I've already worked out this first problem. When anytime you have something within the absolute value, you've got to set that equation equal to your positive 4 and your negative 4 so you can solve what your two options are. And so when you solve this, you come out with 5 and negative 3. Okay, and then you just find that on the number line. Okay, a minus 8 equals 12. So a minus 8 equals 12. Okay, now what would I do with the second part? It's a minus 8 equals 12. Okay, but this time it's going to equal negative 12. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides, add 8. Okay, and so I know that one value is 20. And then when I subtract 8 and subtract 8, a is equal to negative 20. Now, this is unusual, that it happens this way. All right, it can happen this way, but not all the time. Okay, so just be careful of it. Just like up here, we had two completely different answers. All right, in this problem right here, x plus 4 equals 8. Same thing. X plus 4 equals 8. X plus 4 equals negative 8. And then you can just solve from there. I'll let you do that. All right, now this one's a little different. This one is where the absolute value is sitting right here inside of the absolute value. There is no x value. So what is always any number coming out of absolute value? It's always going to be positive. So this turns into a positive 8, plus x equals 13. Okay, and what does x equal? You figure that out. Okay, other part. Okay, and the last one, and I'll take a look and see if it's something that, all right, again, same thing, x minus the absolute value of 6. So x minus 6 equals 11. Okay, and so again, you solve from there. This one, sorry to give you motion sickness there, but just so we can see all of this. Okay, negative sign changes all the signs in the second trinomial. So in this one, all of my signs have changed to where now this is a negative 6n squared. This is a negative 7n, and that's a positive 8. So now, when I go through here, I just combine my like terms. 13n cubed, 13n cubed. 2n squared minus 6 is negative 4n squared. Minus 7n plus 6n minus n plus 8. All right, next one. Okay, again, just be careful. Do the first one. Okay. Combine your like terms, nothing fancy here, just adding. But then this one, when you subtract, all of your signs here change. All right, number 8. Okay, find the sum of the polynomials, just adding like terms. 4k squared plus 5k. I can combine that negative 2k squared minus k. This one, finding the sum. Again, adding. All right, this one I set up on your test, and so hopefully you can kind of see what's going on here. The negative changes just the signs that it's next to because it says subtract the polynomial this from this. So this is the one that gets the negative. So that's going to turn into a positive. That's going to be erased and turned into a negative. I can combine these two, so that's going to be 8b squared. I can't combine this, so that's going to be a plus 2b, and then minus 6. All right, and so I have an 8b squared plus 2b minus 6. All right, that's the first video going through the first 10 problems. I'll be back with one for the next 10.